Hey, I wanted to show you one of my favorite garden tools. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been raking that area. You can see where I've raked this stuff towards me from the tree this way. But this right here, that's one of my favorite garden tools. That's my garden rake. I'm gonna lay this thing down and show you just how long it is. I think it's pretty darn long. I've got, well, that rake has a different kind of handle than most rakes. So it's got that nice metal bottom part, you know, the metal combs on it and everything. But I've got a metal pipe. It's just a nice long metal pipe. It's not very big, you know, about as big around as that finger. But that thing's taller than me. Let me hold it up to myself here. Oh no, actually it's about the same height I am. And but it really gives me a lot more reach. Because you think of the length of my arm, and I'm holding it here on the end, and then the close to another 6 foot of length there. So when you're out there working in your garden, of course I'm trying to do this with one hand, you can really throw it out there, right? Oop, there it is. Throw it out there long ways and just rake with it. But when you're using two hands, you can put more pressure on it, and it will actually dig in a little bit better in it. And it combs through everything that's on the ground. It helps pull out some things by the roots. Some things, not everything, but some things. And it just combs through everything. You get all the loose debris off the top. And oop, walking all through it. And that's what all that is. You see all that I raked all that up from just right here. That's part of my cleanup process. My job is to get all this cleaned up, and over there's that hugelkultur bed that I was showing you earlier. And I know it's really shady right now, but man, it feels good in the shade. It feels like air conditioning. The sun's behind all that. But I'm gonna trim from here all the way back these trees so that it won't be so shady in here. Whenever I get my gardens going, I want sunshine. But yeah, I just wanted to show you one of my favorite tools. I call it my, well, it's my garden rake, is what it is. But let me put it over here for some other tools, and you'll be able to see how tall it is. It stands up. All right. So it's down there, and I got some shovels hanging up on the old clothesline, and some more little pots that we're gonna clean up and put some stuff in. Anyway, just wanted to show you one of my favorite tools, and these of course are my other favorite tools. I like the short handled tools. Sometimes I like the long handled ones, but I like the fork. And then this one's kind of like an edger. And then that one's like a deep hole shovel, and then that one's a regular spade. But those are all short handles. But I do have long handled tools as well. I have another fork that's made even better than that one, but I broke the handle last year, so I need to put a new handle on it. Anyway, you see how nice it rakes things up. And all this will go on top of my compost pile. All right. The garden tools, one of my favorites. One of my other favorites. And them other favorites. And my gloves. All right, talk to you later.